How to fix unexpected error in Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. To do this, we'll first go to our PC Start button. Here we will search for free disk space. Now it will open up, and what we'll do is deselect these two options, but we will leave thumbnails. Now go to Accept, Delete Files. And now your Roblox application should work correctly. If it's not, what you'll do is go to Start button again, go to Settings, and here you'll go to the three lines at the top left corner. Applications, Installed Applications, and here we'll look for Roblox. Look for Roblox Player, and now go to the three dots and uninstall it. Then you can search for it again in the Microsoft Store and install it again. Once you install it, you'll launch it, and that should solve the issue. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.